position in the 300-meter hurdle for the varsity boys. The results have been recalculated. And in 6th place from Dennis.
Good move.
Malone. In 5th place from Alvarado, Brendan Burton.
Good move, bud.
In
Move
4th
up.
place from Dennis, Orca. In 3rd place from Godwin, Nash Canal. And in 2nd place from Alvarado, Deandra Foster. And in 1st place with a time of 42.07 from Ennis High School, Thomas Varsity. We need all JV girls 4x400 meter teams to report to the starting line now. I'll report to the check-in area. Sorry, report to the check-in area. 4x400 meter JV girls.
Go side. Side, get up to the next group. Come on, bud.
Results for the 1600 meter run JV girls. In 6th place from Alvarado, Christiana Camera. In 5th place from Hillsboro, Kinsley Monterrubio. In 4th place from Midlothian Heritage, Palin Viviers Moore. In 3rd place from Midlothian Heritage, Peyton Flowers. In 2nd place from Godley, Melissa Ortiz. In 1st place with a time of 6 minutes and 25 seconds, Zari Fort from Midlothian Heritage.
Let's go, Money! Outside! Last 500, let's go! All right, let's go! Go get him, let's go!
Girls 1600 meter run, Varsity. Result in 6th place, Innocence Horta from Alvarado. In 5th place, Natalia Sanchez from Alvarado. In 4th place, Layla Edmond from Alvarado. In 3rd place, Fabiolo Rito from Hillsboro. In 2nd place, Elliot Sullivan from Midlothian Heritage. And in 1st place with a time of 5 minutes and 28 seconds, Jenna Jacobson from Midlothian Heritage.